Are you excited, Yael? Ang pogi, baby. Ah. It's so cute. It's the first day of school. Your uniform is the new uniform. Meow.
Kaya marunong mag-parang yung duck half na dog.
Pogi?
But today is the first class because the other day was suspended sa rain. Sabi na rain, hindi pa ready sila.
How about Yael? What can you say? Little pogi naman. Who's more pogi? Both of you are pogi.
Whereas yesterday was supposed to be the rain said na wala yun even ready yet. So let me just put some fake rain.
Hi, Elle. You can talk. I like your uniform, Elle. No? It's so cute, no? Kuya, no? Hi, Daddy. Good morning.
Perfect.
Guys, it's the first day of school. 5 o'clock pa lang, nakaready na yung dalawa. Medyo nagpatumpik-tumpik lang para hindi naman sobrang aga sa classroom. So now it's 5:30. Makakarating kami mga 5:30 or 5:30. So example. Let's go na with you, baby, ha? Yes? I will just stay here na, ha? Be good. Yael. Kuya, ha? Recite. Mag-recite kayo. Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. El, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mami!
Bye, I love you. So, yun guys. Dito na lang kami sa medyo malayo sa school na park para hindi makaabala sa mga motor and school services na nag-aatid sa mga bata. So, Daddy na lang nila ang bumaba para ihatid sila sa kanilang classroom. So, 5:50 ang start ng klase ni Kuya Jello and 6:30 naman for Yael. So, it's the first day of school. Have a nice day, everyone. And, of course, sa mga nanay,